Hey, how's it going? I'm Ollie Yates and I'm a business online entrepreneur. Now, I know that having an online business is the greatest thing that anyone could do, right? Because it gives you the flexibility to work from home. It gives you the flexibility to basically work from any location as long as there's an internet connection, which is absolutely great, right? Now, how many of you that are either thinking of starting an online business think this is great? Okay, because you won't be wrong, it is actually a great thing. Now, how many of you actually have an online business, but then realize actually I could be doing things a lot better, meaning that it's not as easy as I thought it would be? Put your hands up. Okay, so I know that I've been running my online business now for quite a while, and I've basically understood that my online business could be running a lot more effectively and efficiently if I was using the right tools. Okay, now in terms of running my online business, I know it involved a lot of promoting and selling. Okay, now for those of you that are part of an online business where you are basically selling products or services, and off the back of that you're also recruiting, so you're also trying to get referrals, having to do that online can be challenging and time consuming, couldn't it? Now think about this, there are platforms out there that you're probably using where you're posting every day throughout the day. How laborious and how manual is that process? Okay, and the other thing is that when you are promoting as vigorously as that, how often have you had your posts blocked? Just to kick it further, in the worst case scenario, how many of you had your account shut down where you've no longer had access to that platform, which means that effectively your business has stopped? Okay, you're not being able to bring in any sales, sell any services and recruit. How many people has that happened to? I know this because it's happened to me 3 times, all right, 3 times. And I know that not only did I have to address the manual side of my online business, but I also had to eliminate the risk of my business suffering because I would not be able to promote and sell using a particular social platform. I had to address that. Now, the other thing that I wanted to also address, and I know a lot of you out there are probably experiencing the same thing, is that my earnings was also capped. Okay, and for a lot of you, if you have your own online business, like I said, where you're promoting goods or services, or you're needing referrals to help propel your business as well, okay, that is great, but it's still capped. Now, what I was looking for was passive residual income, meaning that I wanted to be paid without me necessarily spending the time operating the business. Okay, so what that means effectively is that I could be making money whilst I'm sleeping, I could make money whilst I take a vacation, I could make money whilst I'm spending time with my family. I don't necessarily have to be there to run the business because it's on autopilot. All right, that is the beauty of being able to put your business on autopilot, but also earn passive residual income. Now, for those of you that have not implemented tools in order to help you do that, you are missing a trick, okay? Because you can absolutely give yourself not also time to free yourself from the business so it can run up to 60% on autopilot. Just think about this, you're having all your inquiries dealt with automatically, okay? You're having your promotional side of things dealt with automatically, so you don't need to put out a whole load of posts throughout the day every day. Okay, you don't need to also be in front of your business. You can actually leave that and it will run on autopilot. Just imagine what you could do if you had the ability to do that with your current online business now. The other thing is that you also give yourself 3 additional income streams, okay, 2 of which are totally passive. Imagine that. So on top of your business running on autopilot, where you basically have increased the amount of referrals that you're getting, the amount of sales that you're making, which means that you've got a greater return in your sales, in your profit margins, but you're also giving yourself 3 additional income streams on top of that. Okay, and 2 of those are passive residual every single month. Now, I have been able to do that in a very short period of time, and I've got to say it was the best thing ever that I could have ever done for my online business and for me as a business owner. Now, if you want to know more about that and how it works and how you could potentially have your business run on autopilot and also give yourself 3 additional income streams, then all you need to do is drop me a comment and ask for more information, and I will be happy to talk you through that process, and you could potentially start today. I look forward to speaking to you then.